Another driver gets whacked from behind for no reason. He gives respect, and in return get disrespected in the worst way possible.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
What is going on, guys? This is Kumatara from my game people. Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only working this beautiful Lincoln MKT, aka the Mule, but life as well. Now we're going to talk about life. We're going to talk about rideshare in particular. Okay, so here we go again. Another driver gets assaulted by a disrespectful passenger. Not the fault of the driver, but completely on the passenger. Now first, let's see the video of the little part, and then we're going to talk about it.
Drive faster, please.
I'm sorry, man. I can't get in front of the cars that are in front of me.
Why?
Because it's blocked. There's 2 lanes. You don't see it?
Well, I would have been in that right lane and found that hole right there and jumped up. I'm just saying.
Turn left on 30th Avenue.
Excuse me, man. If you're going to be disrespectful, I'll just pull over right now.
Oh, oh my God! Please stop! Georgie! Oh my God! George!
What the man? I didn't do nothing!
Please! Oh my God!
Okay, so there it is, guys. It's insane, man. So first off, the role of a driver has gone from driving and getting you from point A to point B safely to being a therapist, to being your longtime friend, to giving you food and snacks, to giving you a luxury car for not even a third of what the cost of the ride should be, being emergency vehicles, a police officer, a big brother. Like, the roles keep adding up. Like, we're supposed to be like this god for passengers, and then passengers pay pennies for this godly service. So in this particular situation, a passenger is going to a hospital, Mount Sinai specifically. He's in pain. He wants the driver to weave in and out of traffic and break the law because he's in pain. Now, first of all, if you're in pain, that's what the ambulances are there for. Again, drivers are not ambulances, and drivers are not police officers, drivers are not hospitals. We're not responsible for your problems. We have our own problems, okay? And guess what? Lyft is gonna probably do nothing, because most likely when they go to this guy's account, he's gonna have a weird ass name or a fake name, because guess what? The rideshare companies don't verify who these people are. So they can assault you, do whatever they want to you, but they can't get verified. Like, I don't know up until when these rideshare companies are gonna be held accountable for these type of actions. You know what I mean? What do you guys think about this situation? So if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more rideshare related stuff. And peace in New York City. Not in the Middle East, New York City. I hope the driver is okay, and I hope the passenger gets the help that he deserves and he needs. And I hope he doesn't do this to any more drivers. Until next time, guys, stay safe.